welcome to the city of Ontario Ranch. We're here at Peri and Ruby, man. We're gonna be checking a little bit about this model, man.
So this one's just over 2,000 square feet, 3-bed, 2.5 bath, and the interior, I love. It's probably my favorite that I've seen in any new construction home.
Really?
I'm probably gonna remodel my house and copy this. So let's go check it out.
I'm excited. So this is a blind reaction for me. I've been in the other ones, but not this one.
Not this one? You'll love it.
Let's go check it out. Of course, we got the big an office space here. Can you turn this into a room?
If it's not an option, you could easily change it into a room. Just close this off and put a door to one side or in the middle.
I like that. Yeah, because I mean, it's big enough. It's probably 10 by 12.
Easily, yeah. One thing as we walk into the house, I always like this and I appreciate when a builder does this, is when they put the half bath away from the kitchen and from the living room. So you have this here on this side of the stairwell. All right, coming in here, nice open floor plan. Kitchen is off to the side a little bit, living room, but it's still nice and open. And man, I just love the colors on this. I don't know what it is, but it got me.
I do like the colors, and it's not like so harsh, so it's super clean. Got the white countertops, got the island. What do you think of this?
I don't know if I'm ready for that, but I do like the subtle, like the champagne.
Yeah.
That's more like a little too gold, you know? I like the champagne one. Of course, guys, this is not how the house is gonna come. You're gonna have different type. Actually, you could upgrade it to this spec, but it's not gonna come this way. Nonetheless, I love the layout of it, the simplicity of it.
Yeah, because I mean, we're in the smallest plan here, so what they did with the space was really well. They got, I mean, that's a big table there.
Yeah.
That's a regular sized table. And then we have the living room. So
I always kind of take it as if I'm walking around. If I have people, we like to host, right? We like to host, have people over. Can I do that here, right? Absolutely. Kids running around. I mean, there's 3 of us right here, and we're easily walking around, flowing throughout the house.
And I want to give you guys an idea what to expect in the backyard. I mean, this is what you get. And this is what you're always going to get in Ontario Ranch. There's no way of getting around it. All single family homes maybe like this, if not just a little bit more, maybe twice the size, maybe some side space, but this is what to expect because they're not building stuff like that anymore.
No, they're not. But nonetheless, I mean, think about it, right? You have a barbecue here. How much space does that really take? Not much.
Yeah.
You could put a table here, right? You could have the kids kind of running around. So, I mean, you are in Ontario Ranch. Most of it is going this way, right? So you're not going to get the full backyards. But don't be fooled. There's still plenty of space for you to have people over and to be hanging out.
Yeah.
And you have access to the garage over here as well.
Yeah, so I really like that. And then amenities, right? Amenities are going to cover the space.
Of course, of course. You have the great park coming in here too, right? It's going to be like 3 miles long. So you're going to have plenty of activities, things to do out here. That's what they're going for, is a lot of amenities.
Hey, the Irvine, the IE.
People gave me stuff for that. And you know what? Who came out and actually confirmed it? The Irvine company actually came out and said, yes, we are trying to mimic a similar thing out there. The New Home Company is. New Home Company builds a lot out there, and that's what they're trying to do here.
Love it. All right, well, let's go check out the top. You can get those lights too?
Those are nice.
Yeah, they're not bad, huh?
It's like almost like an olive, like a very deep olive color or something. I want to get the spec for it. I'll touch on this. Condos or smaller homes, they usually have lofts that you have to walk through it, right? I like and I can appreciate when it's completely off on its own, where you don't have to walk through it, you can just walk by it, right? So this can be an actual usable loft.
Yeah. They're maximizing the space everywhere
100%.
in this house. For being the plan 1, it's really, really nice.
Yeah.
Now you come this way, we're gonna have 2 bedrooms. You can check them out real quick with a shared restroom. What do you think of this master, Eddie?
I love it. I always point out, if you can have furniture in the front of your bed in any of these model homes, it means you got plenty of space. Yeah. I don't know that I wouldn't have this, so think about all that extra space that you actually have to be walking from side to side.
Yeah, we got I got these little guys who come to our bed at night, and so having them, having enough space for them to run around and still get into the bed, because they do it 4 or 5 in the morning all the time. We can't stop it, so.
My daughter's 8 and she still goes to sleep with us.
Check out the master bath.
So I walked by right now, and there's 2 walk-ins. The one over here to the you're walking in is tiny, and I was like, man, that sucks. But then you have one over here on the left, so I guess his and hers, right?
Yeah, and I love these upgrades, man. I don't know if they're gonna offer this, but if they do, it's gonna be a great option. Yeah. I'm actually, for being a Plan 1, I'm usually not impressed with Plan 1s.
Yeah.
This is probably the best Plan 1 I've seen.
100%.
Yeah. They just utilize the space so well. 2 closets, you got the washroom up here, loft. It's everything so compact. It feels just like it flows well. Now, compared to the Plan 3, it's a little bit different, right?
Yeah. So here's the thing. You can always, I tell clients when we're walking homes, you can always feel the house on you, or not feel it on you, right?
Yeah.
This house, I don't feel it on me. I feel like I can actually walk and flow through it good, where like we'll go into Plan 3 and I'm like, this feels tight.
Yeah, and it's the biggest plan that they have right here for the single family. Let's go check it out.
Let's go check it out.
All right, guys, so now we're gonna be checking out the Plan 3. We just checked out Plan 1. It was beautiful. Now, they're in for a surprise, but the upstairs makes up for the downstairs.
So, okay, this is just over 2,300 square feet, 4 bedroom, 3 full bath, and a loft. Downstairs, to me, personally, not the greatest. The loft upstairs is great, but you'll be the judge and you can let us know.
Yeah, we wanna be real when we're doing these.
Yes.
All right, come on in. So one thing that I do enjoy and I do like when you come into one of these homes, you do have the guest room downstairs. This is great for like older families, those younger maybe even a younger kid that wants kind of their own space. It's always great. They have the space here. They have a little semi-walk-in closet. And so we have the full bath. And that really helps, but as you walk in, it just gets a little tight right here. You can kind of feel it, right, Eddie?
Totally.
You can feel the tightness, wide stairs, but go ahead, man.
So when I say you can feel the house on you, you can feel the house on you. You can feel this. So this is it. You got your kitchen, dining table, and living room all together. This genuinely feels like an apartment to me.
It does.
Yeah, feels not even like a condo.
This feels like a loft space right here, right?
Yeah.
Like your bed would just be like right on the side of this wall or something.
Like I really want my here, but there's not enough space.
Yeah.
And then I don't like the placement of this, because the moment you go to sit down and somebody wants to go out, that's not good. Cool sized yard, don't get me wrong.
Yeah, this one's gonna be a little bit bigger, right?
You know? Yeah, I mean, it's a little more of a long if you want to get this, Frank. I would imagine this layout the way it is, and depending, they'll have, because of the way the house is, it'll have a little bit longer that way. You know, we're here to not tell you every house is great. You know, we're here to give you honest feedback, and when we don't think one is, I don't think so.
I mean, I think it has great finishes. Personally, if I were to talk to like the builder, one of the managers, I'd say, hey man, let's take this away.
And this is cheesy.
Yeah.
Why would you do that? That looks awful.
Yeah, so again, we want to be real with you guys, give you guys facts about what we think. Since we've seen so many new construction homes, I think they have better options here. I even think Plan 2 is going to be a better option. Plan 2
is beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Plan 2 is really nice. Plan 3, I think they kind of missed it a little bit. So, and we have great relationships with the builders. So if you guys watch this, I'm sorry. I hope that the top is a lot better. All right. I mean, we got a loft up here though. We got a loft, brother.
But I feel like this is almost bigger than the kitchen. It's wider.
I mean, if I'm buying this house, it's because of this loft though.
Yeah.
This is one of the better lofts.
So maybe, I don't know, maybe you don't hang out downstairs as much, which I feel like you would. But
Yeah.
if not, you buy this one, you're definitely hanging out up here.
Yeah, like this is gonna be a kind of thing is like you bring your friends up here, right? Like,
Yeah.
like hey, come over to my house, and it's like, oh, let's all head upstairs.
You have plenty of space for a pool table
Yeah.
there, right? Kind of how they have the refrigerators there. You can still have a seating area. What I do like, and I'll point out, plenty of windows.
Love the windows. Nancy
Yeah.
always does a really good job
Yeah.
with that.
One thing too with the windows is, nice thing with Nancy homes, they're all modern looking, right? So your neighborhood is nice. When you're walking into, or when you're driving into your neighborhood, they all look good. So as I'm looking out right now, I'm like, dang, at least all these houses look good, right?
Yeah, they're all super stylish. They're yes, cookie cutter, but they're also not like everything else around
Yeah,
here.
cookie cutter, right? As in like they're a track home, but they're so far off from being cookie cutter. At least
Yeah.
the exterior is.
Yeah,
right?
I believe
Yeah.
that. Well, this is my first time up here actually. Oh, let's check out the master right away. Okay. Yeah, we got some space here. So upstairs is making up for the downstairs. Like you have some space, you can hang out here, right? You can put a big old TV.
Plenty of space down here or
Yeah.
up here.
Yeah. There's a lot more space. I'm kind of, you're gonna have to choose. What do you like more? What do you like? For us, upstairs in my family is not as important, right?
Yeah.
We like the downstairs. That's where we're hanging out. We like having a family room down there. We enjoy that. Now, if you talk to like my brother-in-law, he has a loft upstairs, and they're always upstairs.
So you got to remember who these builders are also catering to, right?
Yeah.
Your late 20s, early 30s. These people don't even cook anymore, right?
No.
They just order out, they eat. Where do they come? They come hang out in their lofts, or they come hang out in the living or in their rooms and watch TV, right? So, I mean, I don't know for a fact that that's what it is, but that could be a very good reason as to why some of these offer so much more upstairs now.
Yeah, I can see that. Well, follow Eddie into the master bath.
It's good. Overall, good size. Still a good walk-in closet. Yeah, no, definitely enough space in here. And again, once you have furniture laying around, they can put pots up, they can put dressers up. That's when you know the master bedroom, the primary, is plentiful in these houses.
Yeah. So I'm pretty amazed. Size is huge. We got the master. If you guys want to just go check out and peek, check out those bedrooms and bath over there. All right, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of. We're not going to be able to do the plan 2, I believe, right? Plan
Correct.
2, but we are going to have some shots. So we're going to be playing some shots for you guys right now. We'll talk a little bit about what that layout looks like.
So that one has a side entrance, right? So as you walk into the side, you're gonna walk into the right-hand side. You're gonna have your kitchen, and then it kind of wraps around somewhat like a L, and that's gonna be your living room space, okay? Very spacious, very open. And then it's nice when you're walking through that door. Remember, kitchen is on the right. On your left-hand side, there's a table there. So it's actually broken up very nice. And everything's still really open. So you see everything from every angle, right? And then you have a full bedroom and your half bathroom as well too.
Nice.
And then upstairs you have a loft as well. So
Is the loft like this?
no, not this big. Probably half. Yeah, it's not
the
this big.
size.
And then the yard space was okay. I would probably say similar to this, just not as long on the side, but still a good size. I mean, for what it is, the yards are all good here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you guys are looking to get into something like this, prices are going to be in the 800s for homes like this. They're not doing many single family homes anymore. So this is what you can expect when you come to this community. HOA is going to be 1.95. The HOA for this one is going to be $195. And then they have a Ruby. They also have a different option. We might be able to play some B-roll for you guys on that one too. But those are going to be a little bit less price point. Those are going to be attached.
Attached condos, right? Okay.
Yeah. So I might have to check those out in a little bit. But great options here, guys. Again, if you guys are looking to work with Eddie or myself, there's going to be some details down below where you can call us, contact us, so we can help you get into one of these homes. We always remind you, do not come without us. You want the representation, you need the representation. You don't know how many phone calls we get saying, hey Rob, can you help me? I need questions about this, and we can't do anything because we're not representing you. So book the 15-minute call, stop wasting time. We'll tell you exactly where you need to be, where you need. We're here to help you. Awesome.
See you guys soon.
Robert Cedeno, out.